Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to as squared plus 5. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, first derivative of s squared, we have 2s ds. So because we don't have number 16 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 16. So about this one in here, we change by u. About s ds, we change by du over 16. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's it about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.